Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Are you tired of your boring 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of being your own boss and making a passive income online? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be revealing the secrets to affiliate marketing success and showing you how you can start earning big bucks without ever leaving your house. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to transform your life with the power of affiliate marketing. 1. Making your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing is a lot easier than you think. Now, I know what you're thinking, affiliate marketing. That sounds complicated. But trust me, making your first $1,000 is easier than taking candy from a baby. Okay, maybe not that easy, but you get the point. Here's the thing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products that you believe in and earning a commission for any sales that you generate. And with the rise of social media and online shopping, the opportunities are endless. But don't be fooled, my dear viewer. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, time, and dedication to make it work. But the good news is that with the right strategy and mindset, you can make it happen. So, what's the secret to making your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing? Well, there isn't just one secret. It's a combination of factors like finding the right products to promote, building a strong relationship with your audience, and using effective marketing techniques. But let me tell you, the feeling of making that first $1,000 is like no other. It's a sense of accomplishment, pride, and pure joy. And it's just the beginning of what's possible in the world of affiliate marketing. 2. There are a few things you need to do in order to get started. Affiliate marketing. The land of opportunity for those who are willing to put in the effort. But before you start counting your cash, there are a few things you need to do to get started. First things first, you need to find a niche that you're passionate about. It could be cooking, fashion, fitness, whatever floats your boat. Just make sure it's something that you can talk about for hours without getting bored. Next, you need to find affiliate programs that align with your niche. And let me tell you, there are tons of them out there. Just do a quick Google search and you'll be amazed at how many options you have. Finally, you need to create quality content that provides value to your audience. Whether it's through blog posts, videos, or social media, make sure you're putting out content that your audience will love. And don't forget, consistency is key. So put on your thinking cap and get ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Who knows, you might just become the next affiliate marketing superstar. 3. The best way to make money with affiliate marketing is by choosing the right products. Well, listen up because I'm about to spill the tea. The key to making money with affiliate marketing is all about the products you choose to promote. And no, I'm not talking about just any old product. I'm talking about the right products. The ones that are in high demand, have a great reputation, and are relevant to your audience. So, before you start slapping affiliate links all over your website or social media, take a moment to think about the products that will resonate with your audience. What are they interested in? What are their pain points? And most importantly, what products can you promote that will genuinely help them? Remember, the goal is to build trust with your audience and become their go-to source for recommendations. And you can only do that by promoting products that you truly believe in. So, don't just chase the highest commission rates. Choose wisely and watch the money roll in. Happy promoting! 4. You also need to create a website or blog that promotes those products. One key to success in this game is having your own website or blog that promotes the products you're selling. You can't just rely on social media or email marketing alone, folks. You need a platform that showcases your expertise, your brand, and your unique voice. And let's be real, having a website just makes you look more legit, am I right? So, get ready to flex those web design skills or hire a pro to help you out. It's time to get that site up and running and start promoting those sweet products. Happy hustling! 5. Write compelling content that will encourage people to buy the products. Well, it's time to put your writing skills to the test. Writing compelling content that will encourage people to buy the products is the bread and butter of affiliate marketing. You don't want to be that boring uncle who puts everyone to sleep at family gatherings, do you? Of course not. You want to be the life of the party, the one who's always cracking jokes and making people laugh. The same goes for your content. It needs to be engaging, witty, and informative. So put on your thinking cap, grab a cup of coffee, and get ready to create content that will knock people's socks off, in a good way, of course. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one hosting the family gatherings and making all the money in affiliate marketing. 6. Use social media to drive traffic to your website or blog. Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level? Well, listen up because I've got a tip that will blow your mind. Are you ready? Here it is. Use social media to drive traffic to your website or blog. I know, it sounds too simple, but trust me, it works like a charm. You can use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote your content and reach a wider audience. Just make sure to keep your posts engaging and relevant to your target audience, and watch those clicks roll in. So go ahead and give it a try. Your bank account will thank you later. 7. Make sure you track your results and analyze what's working and what's not. Alright, listen up my affiliate marketing comrades. If you want to succeed in this game, you gotta track your results like a bloodhound on a mission. Don't just sit there and hope for the best. Analyze what's working and what's not. It's like a science experiment, except instead of a lab coat, you're wearing your favorite hoodie, and instead of a microscope, you're staring at your computer screen. And if you find something that works, keep doing it until it doesn't work anymore. It's that simple. So get to it and start tracking those results. 8. Keep learning and improving so you can make even more money. The pursuit of knowledge and riches. Well, let me tell you, folks, the learning never stops when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you want to make even more money than you're already making, you need to keep learning and improving. It's like going to the gym. You don't just do one workout and expect to have a six-pack, do you? No, you keep going, keep pushing yourself, and keep seeing results. Same goes for affiliate marketing. Keep learning new strategies, keep testing what works and what doesn't, and before you know it, you'll be raking in the cash like a pro. So don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your knowledge, because it'll pay off big time in the end. Well, that's it, folks. I hope you're feeling inspired to start your affiliate marketing journey and make some serious cash. Remember, it's all about choosing the right products, creating killer content, and promoting like a boss on social media. And don't forget to track your results and keep learning so you can improve your game and make even more money. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to become a millionaire, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of savvy entrepreneurs. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on all the exclusive tips and tricks we have in store for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.